മനസ്സിലെഴുതേണമേ ആ ആ,
A warm good morning to all. We come across the FDP program on internet. Our institute, LBS College of Engineering, Kasaragod, Kerala, is organizing 5 days faculty development program on Internet of Things, exploring the design and customization of IoT frameworks. I use this opportunity to thank Adel ACT Adult program for having sanctioning this FDP to us. This is the third FDP we are organizing under this Adult program. First one was on blockchain. Second one was last week. It was on CFD conducted by Mechanical Department. The third one is on Internet of Things. So Internet of Things is a buzzword today. So we knowingly or unknowingly it's very much using or is going to use the IoT applications. Our devices are connected to internet very well. So it is starting from its use in 1980s from this Carnegie University. Now it is predicted by 2025, 46 billion sensors will be collecting data, will be communicating around us, around the globe. So a vast development is going to occur, or it's a hot area of research also. So all the technology you can experience, you can apply on this IoT framework. So this 5 days, you will get a detailed exploration on the design and customization of IoT framework. We have worldwide reputed faculties, resource persons are there to deliver sessions. So with this, I enter to my duty. Let me do the welcoming of all the personalities present here. First of all, a warm good morning to all from Department of EC and from our institute, LBS College of Engineering, and it is run by LBS Center for Science and Technology. Director is here. So first of all, I welcome our director, M. Abdul Rahman. Dr. Abdul Rahman is a very young and energetic and dynamic leadership for us. We are blessed with very dynamic leadership under him. This LBS Center for Science and Technology running two engineering colleges and many regional centers. So it is basically a consultant for the government consultant in the area of science and technology. So with immense pleasure, I welcome Dr. Abdul Rahman to this FDP inaugural function. Welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Next, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Kauta Solomon Raju, Senior Principal Scientist, Siri Pilani, Rajasthan. So he has got years of experience in research, and he guided many PhDs, many research programs he run. So many research program is going on under his leadership. You can see his biodata already shared with the participants. He is taking the first decision inaugural after the inauguration. His session is on protocol stack and system design aspect of IoT will be there. just soon after the inaugural session. So I welcome you, sir, to this function. I extend a heartiest welcome to Dr. Kota Solomon Raju. Welcome you, sir. Okay, sir. Next, Dr. Muhammad Shekur. So he is the source of inspiration. He under his guidance, we are doing all these activities. Uh, with all respect, with due respect, I welcome you, sir. Welcome, sir. Next, I welcome all the deans of our college, Dr. Abubakar Kadingal, PG Dean. So he is a very encouraging person, basically a excellent academician. So I welcome you, sir, to this function. Next, I welcome Dr. Praveen Kumar, UG Dean, Academies. He's very dynamic and he is giving all support for the conduct of such program. I welcome you, sir. Next, I welcome Dr. Vinod George, UG Dean, Student Affairs. So with all his support, we can do all these activities. I welcome you, sir. Next, I want to welcome Dr. Smita Mole, HOD, CSE Department. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Smita Mole and Dr. Jawahar Mubarak, Professor Jawahar Mubarak, HOD ME. And I welcome Professor Rajashree Raghavan, HOD Electrical Department. I extend a warm welcome to Professor Anjali MS, HOD Civil Engineering Department. Then Professor Vinesh Kumar, HOD Applied Science, then Professor Josha, HOD Physical Education. And I welcome Dr. Rensi Sam Matthew, who is the co-coordinator and the organizer, the key person behind this FDP. I welcome you, sir. I welcome all the participants. Without you, this would not be successful. So we have a lot of applicants, more than 250 applicants. Anyway, we have approved 200 applications. Hope everybody will join for the sessions. I wish a happy learning time and a nice interaction time. And welcome once more. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I cordially invite Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, Director of LBS Center for Science and Technology. He was the Managing Director of Kerala State Center for Advanced Printing and Training. He served as the first Pro Vice Chancellor of APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Kerala. He also served as a Doctor of Philosophy degree in Computer Science and Engineering from Karapagam University. He obtained his Master of Technology Kerala University in 2004 and Bachelor of Technology from Calicut University 1998. He achieved postgraduate diploma in Human Resource Management from Kerala University in 2006 and MPA in 2008. He was the former director, AICTE, the apex body of technical education under Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, which regulates engineering, management, hotel management, pharmacy institutions in the country. He also served director of vocational higher secondary education. I welcome sir to deliver the presidential address.
Thank you. Thank you. Respected principal, Dr. Muhammad Shukur, Chief Guest of the Day, Professor Kota Solomon Raju. Dr. Mary Reena, HODs, Professor Abubakar Kadingal, Professor Jawahar Mubarak, Dr. Vinod George, Dr. Praveen, and Dr. Smita Mole, Professor Rajashree, Professor Anjali, Professor Vinesh Kumar, Professor Joshua, Professor Rancy Matthew, faculties, LBS family, and dear participants, a very good morning to you all. So I'm very happy to be here in front of you for the second ADAL FDP organizing by the LBS College of Engineering, Kasaragod. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Department of ECE for organizing this kind of FDP. As Marilena has mentioned, the IoT is in every walk of life. We can see that IoT is there. More and more instruments are coming to this world of IoT. So we should adopt these kind of technologies, and we should learn what and all things are happening in this area. And so last week we had this FDP on mechanical engineering, FDP conducted by the mechanical engineering department. So AICTE is conducting this adult learning program for the last year itself. So in Kerala itself, we have trained around more than 8,000 faculties all over Kerala in the new technologies, IoT, robotics, machine learning, virtual reality, something like that. We have already trained more than 8,000 faculties in Kerala itself. So we need to go for this kind of new technologies. So youth with wings are the assurance of nation. So if this is true, we need to actually mold our young engineers doing something for the society. So we need to create a skill-based society. The teaching learning process has to be changed. That is what my first request to the faculty. The teaching learning process has to be changed. Don't teach the students only to pass in a particular subject. So that scenario is gone. So we are living in a very, very competitive world. So the skill is very important. India is leading into a knowledge-based economy. So in order to cope up with this kind of world, we need the latest skills. So that is to be imparted into the growing generation. So unless we learn this kind of new technologies and we adopt this kind of technology, we can't impart into our students. So the technology is in every walks of life. So we should learn what is happening. So in and around the society, what is happening in the technological world and science world. So we should bring those changes, and we should impart those changes into the coming generation. So management has to create and unleash the talents of the growing generation. So that is a word. So let me tell you that we should teach the students not only to celebrate the success, we should also teach the students how to manage the failures also. Okay, I won't like to extend my speech because we are having a very eminent person like Professor Kota Solomon Raju giving a good speech on this kind of area. I wish every success to this FTP. Once again, I congratulate the Department of ECE and LBS College of Engineering for conducting this kind of FTP. I wish every success to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, we request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Mohammad Shakurti, to address the gathering.
Respected President of the function, Dr. Abdul Rahman, Director, LBS Center for Science and Technology, Dr. Kota Solomon Raju, Senior Principal Scientist, CRI Rajasthan, Head of the Department, Dr. Mary Reena, all deans, Head of the departments, and Professor N.C. Sam Matthew, Ms. Veena, and all participants, good morning. This is third Atal FTP program in the series by our college in the present academic year. All the three programs were on the relevant emerging areas. That's why we could see large number of interested candidates applying for all these programs. We had to restrict the numbers to 200. Hence, we could see the last two programs very active participation of all these members throughout the session. I inquired, around 80% of the participation was there throughout the session in all the two programs. Hence, we could conclude it very successfully in both these programs, both the earlier programs. I expect more active participation and more gaining of knowledge in the programs of EC department. Since the program is on very relevant area, I don't have any doubt on this. But anyway, I expect very big success. I wish all the participants to enjoy this program and make it useful in their areas of concerns. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of LBS College of Engineering, I cordially and respectfully welcome Dr. Kota Solomon Raju, who has been working as a group leader and senior principal scientist in Societal Electronics Group, Central Electronics Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan, and professor at Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, Ghaziabad. He joined in CSIR series on 29 January 1998 as Scientist B. He received BE from Andhra University in 1997, ME from BITS Pilani in 2003, and PhD from IIT Roorkee in 2008. He worked as head in Skill Development Program, CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative, Skill India, and project leader for many projects. He has been working in the field of an advanced embedded systems engineering for ICT application and allied science and engineering, particularly computing systems engineering for various applications. We are certainly grateful to him for gladly accepting our invitation to become the chief guest of this occasion today. Indeed, of pleasure having you on the inauguration of the FTP on IoT. I request you to give the felicitation address.
Thank you. First of all, formally, let me greet Principal Dr. Muhammad and Director Dr. Abdul and HOD EC Dr. Mary Reena and my one of my program participant, and also I have a first connection with your college is Rensi Matthew. I really appreciate the efforts that the college is going to fulfill the responsibilities. Thank you for the invitation. On the skill development programs, various schemes. Basically, do we, that is more important rather than making the simply a program as per the requirement. See, a partial fulfillment of their assessment. The second one is they are really doing contributing to make the student knowledgeable, and the student, once they came out from the college, they are able to take the reasonably good jobs from the industry. Today, the Atal programs that Government of India is addressing, the reason behind this is our engineering college standards are getting lower and lower. Almost every year it is degrading. Rather, Government of India thought if we train the faculty, then they will better train our students, hence graduate in engineering. Are we doing that? That is the question mark. Or are we fulfilling our other requirement? Another question. That is, the faculty who are attending for this program, please take at least one new thing for yourself. Don't do for the country, do for your student. But to improve yourself, for that you take at least one new topic. From the, see, many people, it's not necessarily 100% you should take from this program. And sincerely, completely, if you take one topic which is you like it, that's a great privilege to the students. And I also advise the participants, don't simply listen and try to learn everything right now. Try to look at your interest area. The people who want to contribute, they may not be able to really don't have a facility, then they may not be able to contribute. So this, I once again thank you to the LBS College of Engineering for inviting me, and also I would like to once again thank you for the Miss Dr. Mary Reena and Renzi Matthew. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We wish to express our gratitude to our chief guest for being with us on this event. Your presence and gentle words are our source of encouragement for all of us. Thank you so much, sir. To facilitate the gathering, I would like to invite Dr. Abu Bakr Kadangal, PG Dean, and Dr. Praveen Kumar K, UG Dean of Academics.
Sir, kariyo. Mute ചെയ്യണം. Praveen sir, no.
Respected Director Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, the chief guest of this function, Dr. Kota Solomon Raju, our beloved principal, Dr. Mohammed Shakur, Dr. Praveen Kumar, the Dean Academics, Dr. Ravi Vinod George, Dean Student Affairs, Mr. Dr. Mary Reena, Coordinator and Head of the Department, other Head of the Department, colleagues and participants. A very good morning to you all. I am happy to witness the third FDP under ADAL scheme is being inaugurated in our college. The importance of attending the FDPs as well as its need was emphasized by our director in his as well as our chief guest, Dr. Solomon also. So, to impart new technologies in emerging areas to the students as well as students to guide students in their research and projects. The faculty has to get updated in the recent technology, what is happening in that irrespective of their age and position. So with this, I wish all the success for all the participants and it will be beneficial to all the faculties, also to the students through the faculties. So this success is in the terms of the outcome to be measured. And the success can be maybe how much you are taking away from this FTP. So I thank the organizers for inviting me to this function. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I invite Dr. Praveen Kumar, UG Dean, to felicitate for this function.
Hello. Respected Director LBS Center for Science and Technology, Dr. Abdul Rahman M. Chief guest of today's inaugural function, Dr. Kota Solomon Raju, Senior Principal Scientist, CER, CIRI, Rajasthan. Principal Dr. Mohammed Shakur sir. Deans, HODs, other dignitaries, dear participants and students, colleagues. So I'm happy to join during the occasion as we are going to inaugurate the third of this kind in our college, the ADAL FTP on exploring the design and customization of a IoT framework. At the outset, I congratulate HODEC, Dr. Mary Reena K. and Renzi Sam Matthew and other entire EC team for making this program a realized one. As everybody told, this IoT is very relevant nowadays. The next generation of technology is that of artificial intelligence, and due to the introduction of the IP version 6, theoretically we can connect the 3.4 into 10 raised to 38 machines or devices, which is a huge number. That's what we are looking for, because we have to coordinate all the AI enabled machines or artificial intelligence systems for making decisions in a collective fashion or making any effort together. Through AI, we are trying to make computers to do things which even man cannot do. So a lot of things we can do with together making these two technologies, AI, IoT, and the abundant storage, which we are looking for through cloud storage. So these three key technologies are going to be the significant ones in coming years, and our students are going to find their career in these three areas in computer science as well as in electronics or even circuit branches. So it's very relevant, and I wish all the success for this program and a happy FDP for all the participants for the coming 5 days. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. For our session has come to an end, I cordially invite Professor Renzi Sam Matthew, APEC and coordinator of FDP, for the deliverance of vote of thanks.
I take this opportunity to express the vote of thanks. Without any delay, I am going into my duty. We express our gratitude to Dr. Abdul Rahman, our director, for joining us in spite of his busy schedules and presiding over this meeting. Thank you, sir, for joining. Thank you. Thank you for all the support you have done. We are indeed honored by the presence of Dr. Kota Solomon Raju, a senior principal scientist in Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan. In fact, this would be one of the institute having that name, electronics, in its title. So we are proud to have a resource person from this institute, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, CERI. Thank you, sir, for accepting the invitation and inaugurating the FDP. We thank our dear principal, Dr. Mohammad Shukur sir, for addressing this August gathering and for the support he gave us throughout the planning and implementation of this FDP. Thank you, sir. We thank all our deans for their presence and felicitations. Thank you, sirs. We thank all the HODs. We thank all the participants, our colleagues and our students for their presence and help. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now, let's all stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all.